frequently, everything are following daily DPT we are doing. But now how we are going to do? So that is very 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 important. So இத வந்து இங்க வந்து பார்க்கணும். Term 2 will be different. ஓகேங்களா? How you have to present, how you have to manage the timings, அது எல்லாமே வந்து இருக்கு. Additional sheets எப்படி கொடுக்கணும். So அது மாதிரி ஒரு மாடல் வியூ தான் வந்து we are going to give. ஓகேங்களா? Hello. So good morning all of you. On behalf of the management of Narayana Technical School, Madanapuram, I welcome all the grade 10 students. Grade 10 students and the core team academic, everything. So this is the first time the students are going to write the exam. Already you are well aware because from 6th standard you are in a position to practice. Here in our school are in a position to practice all the types of strategies. Here how we will be going into how you have to prepare for that particular examination. What are the steps you have to cover? Individual subject wise how you will be in a position to do. Everything comes into play. Okay. Totally in our team, in our exams as of now we are having English, Hindi, Tamil, French, Science, Social Science and Maths. Okay. Apart from that, you will be in a position to write Information and Technology. Okay. So here what we have to do, first and foremost important thing, you be in a position to read each and every line that is present in the book. Okay, each and every line that is present in the book you need to read thoroughly. Okay, rather than going with the questions which is present just at the back of the book, each and every chapter, rather than reading, go and read individually everything. Because now if you see the sample questions which is released by CBSE, many of the questions are asked within the textbook. Okay, inside the textbook they are asked. So our management is also in a position to give you many amount of resource materials. Okay, many amount of resource materials, and that you have to analyze everything. Okay, so first in-depth reading is very very important to stand apart from the competition. India totally 10th standard, some 70 to 20 lakh students will be writing. Okay, so that is the very prior procedure. It may be English or it may be science or any other subject. Read the book thoroughly, and you should be in a position to verify all the interrelated materials. Okay, you should be in a position to go for the interrelated materials. This is the first and foremost important point. So if you analyze the question, it may be all the subjects. If you analyze the questions of all the subjects, you will be having the questions will be based on the your analytical skills, your logical skills, and your vocabulary skills and everything. So these are different parts. Okay, in a particular domain, they will be able to check your cognitive ability or mental ability. So you should be in a position rather than simple one mark. It may be reason assertion or it may be logical point of view, everything. So you have to introspect that particular point. You have to introspect and ensure that you first read the question well, understand the question well, and you have to be in a position to choose the correct MCQs. Another thing, the option should be very clear. And accurate and minute. Micro level analysis is very very important. Suppose I give a question in a particular question, say 25th question. In the 25th question, the options will be given. A, 1 alone is correct. B option, 1 and 2 are correct. C option, 1 is correct but 2 is wrong. So in my analysis, you should be in a position to check and write the thing very clearly. Okay, you have to analyze. And once what you analyze in the question paper, that should be shaded clearly. In the OMR sheet. Okay, that should be shaded. Suppose for 25th question, the option is B. That same option, 25th question, you have to mark the B option correctly in the OMR sheet. And shading of the answers in the scripts is very very important. Okay, next another first you have to analyze the question paper. Suppose in biology we are having 8 chapters. In English we are having 10 lessons. Means in which chapter of biology most of the questions are asked. In which chapter of the biology, the weightage you have to discuss. So on the particular chapter you have to give more amount of importance. So okay, suppose in the case of human reproductive system or human digestive system, now other they are asking some 8 to 9 marks. You position to overcome in that position. Okay, so that subject you have to use the thing. So first analysis of the question paper and weightage of the questions in each question paper play a vital role. Okay. Next, you have to be in a position to take care of your health. Have the frequency of taking food, and how you prepare for the examination. Your physical being, everything should be taken into consideration. What are the things you have to go to while going for the examination? Your admit card, your school ID card, your school uniform, and everything should be taken into consideration before you go and reach the examination venue. Since it is a COVID-19 thing, all the basic protocols should be followed. Wearing a hand, okay, covering your face with the hand mask, having the sanitizer, okay, everything should be taken into consideration, okay, and practice repeatedly. Repeated practice is very important. Kindly avoid the social media as of now, okay. If you want the spending time for each and everything should be very clear. Suppose you are feeling a bit bored, come and speak with your brothers or you speak with your friends, those things etc. But the concentration is very important. Since your major subject examination starts from November 30. November 30 it starts. Okay, so you should be well aware of all the things. Okay, cracking MCQs, because cracking MCQs, I repeat again, you have to analyze the question paper. Suppose there are 40 MCQs in the sense that 20 MCQs or 30 MCQs require more amount of time. You have to complete the exam in 90 minutes, means that requires more amount of time. So repeated practice is very important, so that you will be in a position to analyze and mark the correct answer. Okay, because you have already done, but you should be extra conscious. Each and every 1 mark will be taken into consideration. You are able to understand that? So these are some of the important tips you have to follow. Practice regularly, and you have to equip yourself to write the term examination. What to infer in the competitive examination, you have chosen something. That same should be marked. That same should be replicated in the OMR sheet. Okay? You should practice very rigorously. In-depth reading and each and every line reading. In-depth reading and each and every line reading of the books are mandatory. Subject to the condition, you can go for some extra place books that is released and ensure that you practice the n number of questions. Okay. Say example, x1 boy is that he is able to practice 1000 questions, and y1 boy is that he is able to practice some 1500 questions. Means the 1500 questions boy who practice the particular question will be having a wider knowledge and will be having a time consuming manner, and time management is very important. Time management is very important. So you self motivate yourself and you equip yourself and ensure that you be in a position to come out very well. Okay, so these are some of the general strategy you have to follow. Why we are doing this is the first time. There is a slow transition and first time transition, because this is the first time transition. The MCQ marks will be taken into consideration rather than the descriptive marks. Okay, combination of MCQs, term 1 and term 2, descriptive answers that comes into play. So the transition is very important. Okay, so only we are going some of the tips and strategy we have to carry. Okay, so to summarize, read each and every line. It may be all the subjects, read each and every line. Get your inputs from the subject matter experts. All the staff members or faculty members are the subject matter experts. They are handling classes for past 5 to 6 years. Get the input from them. Each and individual learning is important. Individual live learning is important. Second, you should be in a position to go and verify all the extra resource material. Practice. Take care of your health and try to implement or try to read the analytical, logical, verbal reasoning, everything. Okay, every reasoning parts you have to be in a position to come up. And time management is very important, and ensure that you be in a position to take care of your health, everything, and attending the examination on the prior day. Before going to the examination, your admit card, school uniform, and the ID card, what are the pens you have to take, everything you should be in a position to do well and reach the examination center well in advance. Okay, so these are some of the preparation strategies you have to follow. Okay, practice, 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 and reading you have to do and come out with flying colors. Okay.